Hello, I'll be walking us through the Imperium Starter CRM. The Imperium Starter CRM is a subset of Dynamics 365 CRM. It offers all the functionalities that are essential for your sales cycles, and a little bit extra. We begin by opening the Imperium Starter CRM application. When you open the application, you're presented with your dashboards, which hold all the information you need to see and is important to visualize your sales journey and it's at where it is at right now. You can see your in-progress opportunities, the total number of opportunities you have and in what stages they are, your in-progress opportunities, the sales processes, the amount of sales, and orders. As much as you add data, your dashboards will give you better and more in-depth analytics with more information coming in. As you can see over here, when you start, you're presented with dashboards. The dashboard we are currently viewing was the sales overview. Similarly, there are multiple dashboards for you to see your analytics on, such as the quote summary dashboard, which shows the amount of quotes you've received this month, the orders, and much more. And the order summary dashboard, which holds information for your orders of the month, the year, your quote by orders, and your opportunities that have fulfilled the orders. And then this is your personal sales dashboard, which tracks down the signing in or logged in users' goals and opportunities that they have going for themselves. Then we also have the customer service overview, which presents all the cases for customer service, which the Imperium Starter CRM also offers, where you can monitor all of these. And it also offers a documentation dashboard where you can come for a quick guide to use the application in case you need to look something up or how to achieve a result. Move on. We'll begin with the leads. So in any starter CRM, we have our leads and contacts and customers and opportunities. So like every sales cycle, we start off with our leads. To create a new lead, we go and click new. And over here, we can select the topic for the lead source, the sales representative is the logged in user, and you can also scan their business card to fetch all of this information from it. You can add further details into the leads and if the lead is connected to an existing opportunity. Once we have our lead created and set up, we can move to the next process. The leads follow a business process flow where you evaluate and qualify them. You can move on to the next stage if you've fulfilled all the information you need and if you're satisfied with the evaluation of your lead. Once the lead has been evaluated, it's time to qualify them if you need to qualify them. Leads are potential contacts that become customers. So you can type a business need. And the lead gets qualified. Here we have all of our contacts. And the Starter CRM also offers you the opportunity to add potential customers. To add a new potential customer, click New. You can also select the type of customer from here. The customers also have their own business process flow, for which you can move them to the next stage and attach a contact to them. We can create a new opportunity based on our leads and our customers. To create a new opportunity, click on New Opportunity. Here, we can fill in all the details. We can select our potential customer, and we can also select our lead. The opportunity has its own business process flow, which goes through qualify, develop, propose, and close. And when you close the opportunity, you can set its status as won or lost, which will also be presented on your dashboard. When you're in the opportunity process, you can create a quote that you can attach to the opportunity. For an example, we have a quote for the opportunity Vivo Energy, with the potential customer being Vivo. We can add special pricing and discounts for that specific customer, and also products that we want to sell to that specific customer. From the quotes, you can also access the price lists. So the price lists are what you would offer that customer for what price you would want to offer them, the products and services you have. And you can also create the order depending on the opportunity that has been won or lost. The order can include your quotation, the quote ID that you had, and the quote that you were given with the price list, so you keep track of all your orders and quotations. Next thing is activities. Activities are tasks, emails, appointments, and anything that you wish to create. So I can create an email activity that would note down that email that was sent to a customer regarding. You can also add the activities directly on the customer's profiles from here. So you keep track of all of your communication with the customer. Next thing we have in the Starter CRM is the customer service part. So in the customer service, you have your customers and the contacts, and they can reach out to you for potential customer service. And they can open cases, and you can monitor those cases directly from here and the result. The cases have their own business process flow where you qualify, investigate, and resolve the cases. The customers create the cases themselves from an external portal that can be accessed by your customers. The Starter CRM also features a Canvas app that you can use on your mobile phone or tablet or any other mobile device you have to see all the leads, opportunities, and your sales cycle information on the go. In the Canvas application, you can view the customers, contacts, potential customers, leads, opportunities, and cases you have open. You can view all of this directly from your mobile device. You can also mark the status of opportunities for won or lost, and you can also edit them right from your mobile screen in this mobile app. Moving on from the Canvas app, we have our customer support portal. This portal will be given to your customers where they can log in, create an account, and see their support tickets or create a new support ticket. So I can see my existing support ticket, demo support, and if I need to create a new support ticket, I can create one from here. Let's just name it Starter CRM Demo. And am doing a demo. Select the type, the priority, and that it has not been started. Once I create my support ticket, Starter CRM demo, it's going to appear in the cases, as you can see right here. And this case can then be tracked through its stages of qualify, investigate, and resolve. And you can monitor all the activities on the customer case timeline. Coming back to our dashboard, you can see a lot more data. And we also have our management area, where you can manage queues, queue items, the products and services that you have to offer, your price lists, your unit groups, your units, your case sources and lead sources, and basic configurations that you would want to handle. And the template settings for making or exporting a PDF of the code or order. That's all for the Starter CRM. Thank you.